Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time to the channel, this channel is about helping people make money online, finding the best way to do that and the best tools to be able to perform and get your websites up and going and get traffic going to them. My name is Jason Jordan. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would sure appreciate it if you would do that. And today, I'm going to go ahead and go through at least one more video with MyLeadGenSecret. Just want to show you a couple little tricks in there to get you going faster. And so really you can make this only take 5 minutes in the morning or maybe 10 minutes if you got a bunch of accounts. It really doesn't take me very long, and I'm going to show you how I'm able to do that. But make sure you subscribe and like this video if you find any value. So let me get logged in. All right, so what you're going to do, you should have already went and created your account. And then we talked about on the last video how you can go and create an account off of that account and actually get your 200 leads per day. You get your bonus leads every single day. That was by just using your affiliate link and signing up another account. Okay. So if you haven't watched that, go back and watch that. Today, we're just going to go over just some quick tips on getting these out just as quick as you can. Because although it's a business and you want to run it like a business, the idea is to get more free time back and spend less time working. So really the longest point that you would have with this would be actually writing the email. And like I said, they're pretty easy to come by. You can look up swipes. One good recommendation is to go through the actual opportunity that you're promoting and just get all your wording from there. Okay. And that's what I've done here. I'm going to show you that right now. So what I would do, I've already done these for today, so I can't send them. What I'm going to do is I can open up. Yeah, this is one that I sent this morning, so I can I'll go ahead and load that and open it up. And there you're going to have your subject line. Okay, so your subject line is very important. It's the first thing anybody's going to see. And then down here is going to be your body of the email. And this is where you're going to put your link. Okay, so we went through, we got this email all prepped. Now, what I recommend, what I think looks really good is if whatever format this is in, you want to come in and make this Arial. And the size is good at 16. I think that looks good, which I just changed. I'm going to change it back. Right there. Do Arial for the font. And then anything you want to bold, you can go through and bold. If I can click off there, there we go. So usually I go and bold where my link's going to be. Now this is all in bold, but that's fine. That's the way I wrote this one. But right here, you can see, here's where I put my link. And all I did was just go through and I would highlight and come up here to link. And that's where I've got my link. So I just go in there, paste that, select perfect timing. And at that point, I would send this. Now, here's where you can save some time. So that email would be sent and gone. Now, what I would do I would come up here where it says mailing system, where you're into it, right? Right click and just duplicate that tab. So now you've got two pages open. But this new one, so you've got your original one open, so you've got your information. This new one, you can just go log into, let me move myself, log into one of your other accounts. So I would just go to my next account, log in. So here's my next account that's up, and here's the other one that was up, okay? So now what I could do, I can just simply go down and copy and paste. So if I'm going to go to mailing system, and let's say I just want to go, and I'm just going to use this one for an example. But I would go in here, and so this is the one I loaded, okay? And I want to use this same subject line, so I'd go in, copy, go back, paste right there. So that's done. And then here where it has all these words that come standard whenever you make a new email, just go delete that out. Get rid of all that. You don't need it. But here I can just go back real quick to this page I've still got open. I can go highlight it, copy, go right in here, paste using Control V. And then I can just go make my quick adjustment for my font right here. And my quick adjustment for my the size, hit perfect timing, and hit send. Okay, now this goes out. I didn't select these because I can't send it, but you could select all your leads, and then you'd be ready to send this again. And then you just do that process again. So what I do, I just go back and forth between these two tabs. So I'd go here, I'd go back up and log out. And then I would log into my next account, which at this point would be, let's see, this one. So that would be my next account. I'd get logged in. I'd do the very same thing. I'd go to mailing system, select leads, come all the way down, go back over here, pull my subject line, paste. I'd go down here. Oh, have all that. I'll click off there. There we go. Oh, there. Okay, I'd get rid of that. I'd go back in here, the one I just sent. Boom. Control C, copy, back over here. Control V, paste. Font and size. Boom. Now, see, my link stayed in there. So we can go and double check it, but my link stayed in there just like I had it. So everything's ready. It's just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And this is so quick to get out to all these leads that it really doesn't take any time at all. So like I said, if I start from scratch and write my email, I may be in here another 10 minutes on top if I've got to brainstorm some ideas. But generally, if I go in, I'll watch the page that I'm promoting, watch some of the videos or read through, I'll get some ideas and I'll pull those ideas, turn them into an email, and then I'm ready to go. And I can just go email out to all of my accounts real quick, and that's done. I do this every single morning. This is the first thing that I do. To do with my business is the first thing that I do. And it's seamless. Every single day, I know they're going to go out because I'm going to go and do it. And this really, it creates a lot of traffic. Okay, so from those, I'm normally getting 200 clicks to my page just by using this traffic source. So it's a way to get a lot of eyes on your offer in a really short amount of time. And like I said, it's $1 a day. So you're paying $1 for 100 leads, and they just keep coming. Once you get the step done we talked about in the last video with daisy chaining the accounts, now you're paying 50 cents. So 50 cents a day for 100 leads, because now you're getting double leads. Okay. So it works out pretty good. If you have any questions, let me know. And go get the system, get started getting traffic over, and we'll see you on the next video. See ya.